In this tutorial, I'm making a LPS cash register, and this is the part 2 of our checkout counter tutorial. To make the cashier, I took an empty matches box. I remove one side. I place it on a sticky paper because we need to seal the sides. I have here 2 pieces of cardboard. I will now cover it with this black contact paper. You can correct the color with the black marker. I would cover at least one wall with this black contact paper as well. You can glue a couple of these pieces of cardboard inside for different departments. You can paint it inside with a marker if you like. We may need a little button here. It's a bead. We may need a keyboard, that's why I take a piece of cardboard, cover it with the contact paper. Now I'm taking a piece of foam and I will scratch a keyboard. I use this technique in all my tutorials. You can use a toothpick. I glue the piece of foam on the top of the cardboard, and I'll glue the cardboard on the top of the box. And I will cover the defects with a black permanent with a black marker. We need the monitor. I take 3 pieces of cardboard, glue them together. From a magazine I cut out something that looked remotely as a price list. Glue it to the screen. Cover it with this tape. Trim off the excess. Cover with black contact paper or paint black at the back. Cover the edges either with contact paper or paint it, or I actually choose it to cover with a strip of foam paper. Creates a nice border. I'll take 2 pieces of silver paper, just glue them together here to the area to swipe the card, or it can be here, whatever you decide. I glue together 2 small pieces of cardboard. It's the leg for the monitor. I cover it with a contact paper, glue it to the box behind the keyboard, then glue the monitor to it. For this last part that prints the check, glue together a few pieces of cardboard, cover it with a strip of black contact paper, then simply glue a piece of paper to it, and then cover on a side. To make the coins, I took a piece of a silver paper and also this gold piece of paper. I painted on the white side with this marker and I punched holes. Here's your coin. For the bills, I simply used a piece of green paper. For the customer monitor, I took this black foam rectangle, then I took a silver paper rectangle, glued them together. I took a Q-tip, cut off the tops, and I made 2 cuts on the sides just to hold so it can hold the foam paper better. I glued them together. I'll glue it on a small bead and then I attach the bead to the cash register and I paint it with black nail polish. The cash register is ready.